Welcome back, children. In this video, we are going to look into the book exercise given at the back of the lesson, the 7 Seeds. Let us build. So that is the exercise which you are going to learn today. What sound does the parrot make? Kee, kee, kee. Do you know that the sound is called talk? Like that, the sounds made by animals have names. Come, let us learn them. So how are we starting this part, children? We are starting with a sound made by a parrot. When we make sound, when we humans make sound, that is called talking. We talk with one another, right, children? We talk with our father, we talk with our mother, with our family, friends. Whenever we want to say something, what do? We open our mouth and make a sound. That sound is called talk. So, in the same way, animals also make some sounds. What are the names? We are going to look into the names of the animal sounds. What is this? A lion. What is a lion saying? I roar. This is a parrot. Hi, I talk beautifully. I too will talk. Both of us will, both of us talk. Let us see what our friends do. So what is this, children? This is a conversation between two parrots. Parrots can talk. So they are saying that we can talk and have conversation. Now let us see how our friends talk with one another. This is lion says, I roar. Cow says, I moo. Elephant says, I trumpet. Monkey says, I chatter. Snake says, I hiss. Goat says, I bleat. So what are all these words? These words are called as sounds, names of animal sounds. Shall we see one more time, children? Lions roar. Cows moo. Elephants trumpet. Monkey chatter. Snakes hiss. Goats bleat. So these are the animal sounds. The highlighted words are the names of the sound made by animals. Now let us learn some more sounds. Dogs bark. Horses neigh. Donkeys bray. What is the sound of a dog called as, children? Bark. Dogs bark. Horses neigh. Donkeys bray. Rabbits squeak. Pigs grunt. Cats mew. Bees hum. Ducks quack. Owls hoot. Frogs croak. Sparrows chirp. Cocks crow. So these are the sounds made by different animals and birds and insects, children. This is your book exercise related to your topic animal sounds. Match the animals with their sounds. What are the different animals we have here, children? We have horse, we have cat, we have dog, we have bee, frog, and a donkey. Now we will look into the different animal sounds. Horse. What is the sound made by a horse? The horse neigh. horse, neigh. What animal is this? Cow. What is the sound made by a cow? Sorry, cat. This is a cat, children. What is the sound made by a cat? Cat. Mew. What is the sound made by a cat? Mews. What animal is this? Dog. That answer is already done for you. Dog. Bark. Now, what is this? This is a honeybee. What does a honeybee do, children? Honeybee. The sound made by a honeybee is humming. Hum. Bees. Hum. Frog. What is the sound made by a frog? The sound of the frog is called as croak. Croaking. What animal is this? Donkey. The sound made by a donkey is called bray. Donkey brays. Shall we look one more time? Horse, neigh. Cat, mew. Dog, bark. Bee, hum. Frog, croak. Donkey, bray. B. What we say. You know what we are going to do here, children? The picture of that animal or bird is given here. We need to identify the bird and write the sound made by that animal also. I am a dash. I dash. What is this? This is a duck. When what is a duck sound made by a duck? A duck quacks. So duck quacks. I've given the answers here, children. Duck quack. Okay, children. Next. What animal is this? This is a rabbit. And the sound made by a rabbit is squeak. I am a rabbit. I squeak. Next. What is this? This is a lamb. I am a lamb. I bleat. I am a lamb. I bleat. Next. What animal is this? Pig. I am a pig. I grunt. We will have to jump over this line, children, to reach the answer. I am a pig. I grunt. Next. What is this? This is a cock. I am a cock. I crow. I am a cock. I crow. So we will look into the answer one more time, children. Duck, quack. Rabbit, squeak. Lamb, bleat. Pig, grunt. Cock, crow. Let us know. This is one book exercise, children. For today, we will only have an introduction of this grammar exercise. We will see in detail in our next session. Let us know. We have already learned to use a, and the. Can you try to fill in the blanks below with a, and the? This is, what is the answer you're going to write here, children? This is a ball. There is an ink bottle. The sun is hot. This is an owl. These words are known as articles. Let us learn how to use them again. So, after this, children, we are going to look into articles. What is the meaning of articles? Articles are used before a word that means one. Okay, children, we will use articles before a word that means one, and we will use the article a before a consonant word, and we will use an before a word that starts with a vowel. And when will we use the word the? When we know for sure. So that is all for today, children. We will continue this articles exercise in our next class. Learn what was taught in the class, children. Thank you.